Hello everyone, welcome to Towheed Tech. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can change the caIn LED light in Audi A4. So this is a light in here. You can change the headrest light in here. So this is also LED, but this is a low quality one. I'm going to change this light in there. So what we have to do, we have to take the whole part out. So there's a screw in there, star head screw, you can see there. We have to take this screw out and this whole part will come out, and then we have to use a V tool just like that. So this will come out. So let me loose the screw because I'm holding camera in one hand. So I'll loose the screw and then I'll show you guys how did I open up this one. So guys, I use torque screw star head, so this will take this screw out, so which is I already loose it up. So what we have to do now, just close this part and just put your tool in here, and you can see I'm using with one hand, so you can just pop this out. So as you can see, there's a V locks in here. So you have to use a plastic V tool just to open up this one. So there's one lock here, two here, and two this side, and one on this side. So easy to take it out. So the lights are in there. So this is 5WC. The lights are there. Just turn around just like that, and it will come out easily. So this is a LED already in there. So I'm going to replace with the other one, which is more brighter and long lasting. So I'm going to replace this one. So the procedure are the same for both of them. So one in here, one in here. So just turn around and take this one out, and there's another LED lights in here. This is also the low quality one, but they bright enough there because this one do not have the heat sink in the back. So if you use this for a long time, they will heat up and they maybe burn out. So whenever you using a LED lights in your car, try to buy the one have a heat sink in the back. They are more reliable and they will long lasting. So I'm going to change and I'll put it back this one. So let me change the light because I'm holding the camera in one hand, so it's a bit hard to record at the same time when I'm changing. So both lights are changed. So what we have to do is just put back just like that. So first of all, they're going to be this way inside, and then you just push it right inside and it will fit just like that, as you can see. And then both lights are working perfectly fine. They are working fine, all of them, and the back. So I change all of them. So the procedure are the same. Just take the screw out and put the V tool like that, and take this one out and replace the bulb and put it back like that, and put the screw back, which one is here. And the same for that one, there's no screw in there. You just have to use this tool. I already changed this one because the procedure are the same. So thank you very much for watching my video, and I will make another tutorial video with other item I'm changing in a car. So please leave a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon for the further video notification. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you in next video.